guys, this is Nicole. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare poppy seeds stick bread. So please stay with me to see the ingredients and the way to prepare it. This is how I'm going to start. I have prepared here 1 kilogram of all-purpose flour. In the middle, I'm going to add 7 grams of dried yeast, a little bit of sugar, I'm using 75 grams, and a little bit of warm milk. I am going to let this sit for 10 minutes or so. The total amount of milk is 600 to 650 milliliters. I'm going to see how much this flour is going to need. After 10 minutes, I am going to add the rest of the sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt far away from the yeast on the sides, 2 large eggs, and about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I fitted the mixer with the dough hook, and now I'm going to start mixing the flour while adding from the milk slowly. And butter. I kneaded the dough for 20 minutes. It's kind of sticky, so if it's difficult to work with it, you can add a little bit of oil or extra butter. Now I am going to cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to knead again for 2-3 minutes. And it didn't took all the liquid I prepared. I have 100 milliliters left, so mine used 550 milliliters of milk. So yours might need less too. Depends on the weather, and today here it's rainy, so maybe that's why this time it didn't need that much liquid. After 20 minutes, I'm going to knead it again for about 2-3 minutes, and then I'm going to let it double its volume. I'm done kneading, so now I'm going to cover it and let it rest until its volume it's gonna double. After another 30 minutes, the dough has doubled in volume, so I divided in 15 equal parts, or so I hope that they're equal. And now I'm going to take each of it, and I'm going to help myself with some oil, trying to spread them a little. Something like this. And now I'm going to start rolling each one of it and place it in a baking tray lined with parchment paper. And I'm going to continue to do so to all of the dough. I'm going to get 2 oven trays. bit. Yeah, I'm gonna roll it. And place it in the tray. Try to be very delicate when you roll them. Don't apply too much strength because they might break. And now it's time to roll it. They are beautiful. Here are my beautiful poppy seeds rolls. After I finish rolling them all, I'm going to give them an egg wash. I have here 1 large egg with 1 tablespoon of milk. After the egg wash, to make them into poppy seeds rolls, we're gonna have to sprinkle some poppy seeds, right? So here it comes, the poppy seeds sprinkle. I think about 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds will be enough. I have finished sprinkling the poppy seeds, and now I'm going to let it rest for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, and I am going to bake them for about 25 to 30 minutes or until they turn a nice light brown color. The first tray is out of the oven. It smells absolutely wonderful. While still hot, I am going to brush them with a little bit of honey diluted with water. I have here 30 grams of honey and 10 milliliters of water, but also you can use a very simple sugar syrup. The second tray is out of the oven. I finished glazing it with the honey mixture as the previous one. Let me show you one. It is very soft and absolutely delicious. They are perfect for breakfast or as a snack. And if you enjoyed, please give this recipe a try. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'll see you soon again. Bye!